Attach glue are complete after this for attachment for strength. This is very easy and simple. Look this flower. Nice. And then other. These are small and big flowers with different colors for beautiness in the flower. Take the bottle, plastic bottle, to make the golden for flowers. Cut the bottle with a scissor. We cut this in pieces for beautiness, like the leaves of the trees. This is the plastic bottle. We cut all this in the pieces for leaves and beautiness. This is the small leaves of the golden. Then we fit all flowers in this. Look like then it is beautiful, very beautiful. This is the handmade art, very look like in the world, like US. We take a glass of mirror. We insert this glass, golden in this glass. Take the paper sheet. We enter these flowers in the balloon.